absolutely love a rich, chewy, ooey gooey fudge brownie. But I'm a cookie girl, so I had to figure out how to merge my love for brownies by being a cookie girl. And I'm going to show you exactly how I mix it up. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today I'm going to show you how I mix brownies and chocolate chip cookies together to create a Brookie. Now, in order to make this yummy, delicious, tasty treat, you're going to need to preset your oven to 350 degrees. Now let's talk about the ingredients that we would need in order to make the brownie portion of our Brookies. The ingredients that you would need are 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, some cocoa powder, some salt, flour, light brown sugar and granulated sugar, vanilla extract, some melt chocolate chips, and some melted butter. To mix up my ingredients, I'll be using both of my stand mixers, one fixed with a whisk and the other fixed with my paddle. I also will be needing a large bowl, a whisk, and a spatula. Now, in order to make these Brookies, I'll be using my brownie pan. We're going to start by adding the melted butter into our bowl. Taking my spatula, I want to make sure that I get all of the melted butter into my bowl. Now to add the cocoa powder. This is what makes a brownie a brownie. And let's mix it up. Now I'm ready to add in my sugar. So my light brown sugar and my granulated sugar is going to go in for a little sweetness. Let's mix it up. Now for a little flavor, I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla extract. Due to technical difficulties, the next few mixing scenes are missing. But have no fear, I'll show you on the screen exactly what you missed. Now I like a little chocolate chips in my brownies. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chocolate chips into my mixture now. And let's mix it up. Now it's time to talk about our cookie dough ingredients. For our chocolate chip cookie dough, you will need 1 stick of butter, some vanilla extract, baking soda and kosher salt, granulated sugar and light brown sugar, 2 eggs, some flour, and some chocolate chips. We're going to start by adding our butter to our bowl. And let's mix it up. Now I'm going to add my vanilla extract straight to my butter for maximum flavor. And let's mix it up. Time for a little sweetness. My light brown sugar and my granulated sugar are now going to be added to my bowl. And let's mix it up. Now it's time for our eggs. And let's mix it up. Taking our egg yolk, letting the egg white fall down, taking our egg yolk back and forth. Now that we just have the egg yolk, placing that into a separate bowl, and now we're going to add the egg yolk to our cookie dough. Let's mix it up. Now our salt and baking soda will be added to our flour. Taking our whisk, we're going to go ahead and mix all of our dry ingredients up by hand. Let's mix it up. Taking my dry ingredients, I'm now ready to add it a little bit at a time to my wet ingredients. Let's mix it up. Taking my spatula, I'm going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of my bowl. I want to make sure everything is fully incorporated into my cookie dough. Don't forget the bottom. And let's mix it up. Taking my chocolate chips, I'm going to go ahead and add it into my bowl and go ahead and mix it up. Now that my brownie mix and my cookie dough mix is all mixed together, I'm ready to add it to my brownie pan. Now I have thoroughly oiled my pan up with some vegetable oil spray. Now taking my ice cream scoop, I'm going to take a scoop full of brownie mix and place it into my brownie pan. And then I'm going to take a scoop full of my cookie mix and place it into my pan. Let me show you exactly how I'm doing this. Now taking my spatula, I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out my cookie dough and my brownie mix. I love chocolate. And one of the things that I'm going to do now to finish off my Brookie is I'm going to add some chocolate chips on top of each one of my Brookie. Because a brownie and a cookie bake at 2 different time allotments, I'm using some foil on top of my pan to help even out that baking process. Now I'm ready to bake this in the oven for 15 minutes covered. For the last 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil. Now that my Brookies are out of the oven, I'm going to let them cool down for 20 minutes. Now that my Brookies have cooled, I'm going to take my spatula and go around each one of them to release them. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. Ready, Jim?
Yep.
I'm going to break it apart. Ooh. Ready? Mm.
Oh! Oh! That's delicious.
You good?
That's it.
Mmm. It's so good. Brownie and a cookie mix. Mmm.
Mm.
I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.